Morning, people. This is Jerry. So I know that every one of you is having issue with the Outlook shortcut or Edge. This issue is started yesterday. So the Netherlands IT still ongoing to find the solution for this, but we have a workaround. So here's what you're going to do. After I gave you the shortcut or the what's it called this, the location, the source of the application that you are looking for. So right now, what you're gonna do is you see this yellow. If you don't see this yellow, this is the folder. Yeah, that's the file explorer. If you don't see this one, you can also type it here, file explorer. Okay, so once you have this file explorer, just click that and then paste the link or message that I give you. Just click that and then press enter. So in this folder, you can find all the shortcut that is missing from your desktop or taskbar. Okay, so example, we're looking for Outlook. So go to the O because it's alphabetically. So like this one, Outlook, so just click the Outlook, double click. Okay, now your Outlook is working. Okay, and also you can just create a shortcut, just right click and send to desktop. Okay, so that you can have the shortcut back in your desktop. And also you can also access here the Excel or Word icon. Okay, so those are the workaround for now, but wait for further notice from IT if the issue is resolved. Okay, so for now, that's the one that you're going to do. Thank you for watching and good morning.